Rome, the eternal city. Let's go on a walk in Rome.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tribo Geek. I am in Rome, as I told you that I'll be coming here for my vacation, and this is my first day in Rome, and I'm near the Colosseum. Yeah, you can see behind me, that's the Colosseum. It's a huge giant structure. However, there's a lot of construction going on, but still it's beautiful. I hope you guys like this video, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribo Geek, do subscribe.
Rome is said to have been founded on April 21st, 1753 BC by Romulus. A series of wars and conquests led to the Roman Empire's founding in 27 BC. After lots of wars in the years 395 BC or 476 BC by the Eastern Roman Empire, which lasted until 1453, Rome again became the center for the world during the Renaissance. Rome was also a hotbed of talents such as Michelangelo and Raphael. The works from the period include the new St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Unfortunately, several Renaissance buildings were demolished in 1900s during the 20 years of fascism. But again, Rome became the capital of the Italian Republic in 1946 and began to flourish again. Colosseum. Colosseum is the elliptical amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome. It is one of the largest ancient amphitheater ever built and is still the largest standing amphitheater in the world despite its age. The Colosseum is built of travertine limestone or tough volcanic rock and the brick-faced concrete. It could hold an estimated number of 50,000 to 80,000 spectators at various points in its history, having an average audience of some 65,000. It was used for gladiatorial contests and the public spectacles including animal hunts, executions, re-enchantments of famous battles. The Romans had built a road network of 53,000 miles by the early 4th century. Each Roman mile was about 4,800 feet and marked by a milestone, giving birth to saying all roads lead to Rome. Now we are walking towards the imperial fora of the Rome. The imperial fora in Rome include series of monumental piazzas built between 46 BC and 113 AD. They are considered to have been the hub of ancient Rome's political activities, and they were eventually accompanied by other structure over the course of centuries. These includes the Forum of Caesar, the Forum of Augustus, the Temple of Peace, the Forum of Nerva, the Trajan's Forum. Forum of Caesar, the first building encountered in the impressive complex in the Forum of Caesar. This piazza, which was built by the Julius Caesar propaganda, was inaugurated in 46 BC and was completed by Emperor Augustus. Forum of Augustus is next to the Forum of Caesar, which we are seeing across this walk, and this is the Forum of Augustus, which was built by the Emperor Augustus himself. And this includes the Temple of Mars altar. In the vow made to the god, the emperor promised to build the temple if he won the Battle of Philippi. The Temple of Peace. It was 75 AD, which was built by the Vespasian and just conquered the Jerusalem. Next, the Forum of Nerva. The Emperor Domitian later built a piazza to connect the free space between the Temple of Peace and the forums of Caesar and Augustus. However, he was unable to inaugurate his work, having died in 96 AD.
Hi guys, as you can see that this is the ruins of the temple, which was a Roman temple which was dedicated mainly for Venus and Mars, and this was destroyed by some ruler to use the marbles of that majestic building. And really it is amazing to see the way how they have built in that era, like which was before Christ. It is awesome, but the thing is, the way how it has been ruined is really unfortunate, that man destroys is all stuff whatever he has done. So Yeah, these are the remainings of the Roman Empire.
As this beautiful journey continues, now we are walking towards the fountain of Trevi. Rome and its fountains. Those who love sculptures and fountains cannot miss Fountain of Trevi, where according to tradition, you are supposed to throw a coin towards the left using your right hand with your eyes closed and your back to the fountain. And you can't miss Piazza Navona with its spectacular Four Rivers fountain. And the interesting fact about this fountain is nearly 7 lakh euros worth of coins are tossed into the Rome's Trevi fountain each year, and the proceeds are donated to the Cratias to help those in needs. Walk across the city, I did enjoy lots of food, and we cannot miss the street food across Rome. And Italian food and Italian delicacy of the deserts are the best in the world. And of course, you have to come and explore it over here. As we are walking across the city, let me give you a few interesting facts about Rome. Modern Rome has 280 fountains and more than 900 churches. In ancient Rome, only free-born men were allowed to wear tagos, a sign of Roman citizenship, and women wear stoles, the female version of tagos, made from linen. And the mascot of Rome is a she-wolf that cared for brothers of Romulus and Remus, the mythological founders of Rome. Rome became the capital of the city of the unified Italy in 1870, taking the title from Florence. As the lots of historical sculptures continues across the walking tour of this Rome, now we are walking towards the Pantheon. Pantheon, which is derived from the Pantheon from the ancient Greek, is a former Roman temple. As we are walking on the Roman roads and Roman streets, let's get some important historical facts about this. These were the physical infrastructure which was vital to the maintenance and development of the Roman state, built from and about 300 BC. And it was through the expansion and consolidation of the Roman Republic and the Roman Empire. They provided efficient means for the overland movement of armies, officials, civilians, inland carriages. Rome and spirituality. The Vatican is the home of the Pope, but also the heart with a capital. The Vatican museums offer a unique artistic itinerary with a papal apartments forced by Michelangelo and Raphael, and the Sistine Chapel with a Michelangelo's The Last Judgment. Then there's the Pantheon, a temple dedicated to the classical deities that was later converted into Christian basilica. Vatican City. Vatican City, officially the Vatican City State, is a landlocked sovereign country or the city-state which is surrounded by the historically a part of Rome, Italy. It became independent from Italy in 1929 with the Lateran Treaty and is a distinct territory under the full ownership, exclusive dominion, and the sovereign authority and jurisdiction of the Holy See, which itself is a sovereign entity under international law, maintaining the city-state temporal power, governance, diplomatic and spiritual independence. The Vatican is also the mentor for the Pope and the Holy See. With an area of 49 hectares and a population of about 764, it is the smallest sovereign state in the world, both by area and population. It is also the second least populated capital in the world. As governed by the Holy See, Vatican City state is a celestial or state ruled by the Pope, who is the Bishop of Rome and head of Catholic Church. The highest state functionaries are all Catholic clergy of various origins after Evigean papacy. The Holy See dates back to the early Christianity and is the principal episcopal of the Catholic Church, which has approximately 1.32 billion baptized Catholics in the world. Vatican City contains religious and cultural sites such as St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, the Vatican Apostolic Library, and the Vatican Museums. They feature some of the world's most famous paintings and sculptures. The unique economy of Vatican City is supported and financially by the donation from the Catholic believers, by the sale of postage stamps and the souvenirs, fees for admissions to the museums, and the sales of the publications. Vatican City has no taxes and items are duty free.
Hey guys, So you can see behind me, that is the St. Peter's Basilica of Vatican City, and this is the end of my trip. I had the best vacation in Rome and I really enjoyed it. The whole point of coming here was to have a peace of mind, and I think I did get it. You know, seeing the people here, seeing the architecture, seeing, you know, the most beautiful thing in the world, which is man-made. It's beautiful, and I hope you guys also have, seen a lot of things, because this is a big video. However, if you are planning to come to Rome, please do come, because this is once in a lifetime experience that you have to come. Yeah, adios and see you. Bye.